RT don't even make this shake him up. No farmer way. No. Spice, me understand say you're upset because your company podium and RT kick you off. I get that. But like I said, the two are having a beef and having a thank you so much. Thanks for the gift. Thanks for the gift. People support the live goal. Everybody, we need 5,000 donuts. Come, put gift. But if you don't want me add RT, we have to send 1,000 donuts for me add RT boss. I can call him on the phone see when there. I can call him. If you don't want me add RT boss, come and send the donut them. Set up the donut and put money in a diesel over there. So cause I work. This is my job. Yeah. People on TikTok. Listen to this on TikTok. Spice, this a your style. This Spice, and the whole place who know you know this. You cannot buy me out. Like me say, you do it with Nuffy sister and Raga Shanti. When Raga Shanti did have the show. And see that you walk left Nuffy sister and you do it with danger now because you did side with danger. That is it, TikTok patrol. You did side with danger. You intimidate danger. What there? For she come say, the man, the baby father, Graping. Spice, your baby father. Me can't bother. I whole heap of stuff. You not touch me yet in a Spice, so me not ready to touch you yet. Cause you not touch me yet. But we can have a showdown. Because guess what? Me not answer to none of your goon them or none of the people them where you walk and pay if you come class me. Me not Spice, this are your style. You ever talk about RT pay people for you do the same thing. This are your style. Yes, because me write them down. Cause all when me hear Shelly come and attack with you, me write this down too. You say you come address things. You come out here and you address things. You never address the $7 million. You don't address Shelly Curran $500,000. You don't address that. So like me I say, Spice, listen, I know y'all watch, I know y'all look. It is alleged that Spice was a part of the scamming organization to defraud multiple stars like Shaggy, Usain Bolt, and them people there. Shelly and Curran and others as well. Shelly and Curran is the one that stopped dancehall artist Shaggy from paying over the money to cartel impersonator. Shelly and Curran and Scatter reported the scam. Thank you so much for that 25 people. Yes. Put the gift over there. So look at the top left hand corner of your screen. You see the blue and white paper. Please to send everything in at the Zelle, Cash App, and the PayPal. Please and thanks. We need 5,000 by Friday. And we out here looking. So you know all day ranking tomorrow. Kiss your teeth. Moderator, any big pussy girl kiss them teeth. Lift up them dirty blood clot up of this. A fully grounds this year. Over here, sir, fully grounds. When you come a fully grounds, sit the fuck down. Sit down and listen to me or get the fuck off. Black out a whole of them blood clot, moderator. If one of you have anything bad to say about RT right now, the whole of you supposed to stand with RT right now. I tell you no why. Uno never did it. Uno never say. Uno never did it. I mean, and I fuck with you, and everybody is innocent. Everybody in my book is innocent until proven guilty. And that's we are work with. So we stand with RT boss. So they try put up on what a purpose something their name. What that? Hourglass and Hourglass. Yes. Now back to this scamming. Spice, you know, address this scamming. Spice, you never address this scamming where Shelly and Curran come tell us about. You know, address Shelly and Curran. Shelly and Curran came and Shelly and Curran said she did not fuck John. You know, address that. Gully Bob say your name called pan John. Come on, Spice. You know where you feel like you come do yesterday. You didn't come do anything. Me understand your RT have gonna beef and come cuss, but you say your address. You don't address nothing in my book. Now, people, listen now. What me want to tell you now. Yesterday between 9 a.m. and 2 p.m. Sunday. That's a Sunday, June 16. 70,000 TikTokers was listening to me and RT show. And Spice appeared upon the live, then the single jumped to top streaming reggae song worldwide. Whether y'all want to believe this or not, Spice, you know, people, Spice do a thing and it work. You understand? She do a thing and it work. Spice should thank us because we push up her song to #1 on the iTunes. You understand me? Spice love this. Spice know what time it is. You see, oh, me there and me attack. You are gonna say, you are gonna play one little piece of clip of some bullshit, and you are gonna say, you are gonna see if Blinger I go still sit down with RT. Yes, Spice. Me I go sit down with RT same way. Yes, Spice. Yes. Yes. Me and the Blinganeers are going to sit down with RT boss. Because we have to stand with the boss. We have to stand with the boss. Because this is an allegation against the boss. Bring the truth come. Bring the truth come. Then we'll revisit this. But Spice, all these things are allegations. Trust and believe. So this is why we will stand with RT boss. How much donut up your up? Me can't add RT yet and not put a donut. We have all who want to see RT come out type 1 because RT will come out in my love. Yeah. Let me call him, see where I'm there. Guys, push up the score. Push up the score. You don't have to send the money over here, so me not in the fuckery we don't know to them. Me say me need this money right now. Spice are working, you know hear what Spice say. People got download the song, download the song. Bring you next to RT. To RT. After he do what he do. Yeah. Yes, TJ. Please me ask you for come juice me next month when me depart my period, the 3rd day. That is it, people. Donuts, please and thanks. We need 1,000 person for send $2 right now. Yeah, if you don't want to see RT Boss Company live right now, else me I close off the live and I'm gonna go and go to the business because RT has to come up here. And I'm not adding anybody. If I don't RT first, I not add nobody. But me telling you this. When the blood clot transgender got in a TikTok police DM the other day and trick him, and when police figure out say it was a blood clot man, police close off the live and delete the chat and everything. RT said bling. That not gonna wait, that can't be to anybody. Them never catch him a sucker or a man a fuck him or him a fuck him. And I say, you know, say a true, here we go on. We have to stand with RT boss. Nobody not care about one Spice. You know, big up Spice all of the one. That nothing to do with me, my love. But me say, I one RT boss. Me say, just like how me telling you, say we stand with police and him can't go down. Him can't go down. Yeah, and we are going to stand with RT boss today and tomorrow and the next day, and the next day. Because Spice, you should have come better. If you want to buy me out, okay, Ali. If you want to buy me out, you have to give me the down payment for the house plus the closing cost for 6 months worth of blood clot mortgage, my love. Me not ask you. Of course, me not take buy out, of course. But where you going to use buy me out? Lady, you can't do nothing for me. You can't do nothing for me. And for all I want to come talk about, oh, you should have make Spice this and that because you the boss. Boss where? What kind of boss can Spice give me? Spice never bossing people that much less me. What the bomber blood clot Spice can do for blood clot me people? What? Wanna please to tell me? Alright, so make we see something again now. So here we go on the merch them a drop soon. The merch them a drop. So all who are going to support the merch them, one RT, one blinger, or one RT on the type 1. Type blood clot 1. And make sure to buy something for a friend, buy something for a sister, buy something for a mother. One RT boss, my love, and that is it. So let me see the that is it. Kim Sue, Shan, big up on yourself. All I people them. See there, merch dropping soon. I know Spice, y'all alone and blood clot benefit off of this. You see them little Spice, you little Spice. You alone now go benefit off of this. And all of the people them who always click them platform with 2 and 3 people. You better click on the blood clot platform and talk about RT boss and bring if you don't want a pussy clot hype and clouds. Any you don't want platform, talk about us. talk about us because right now we are the most talked about. You think Spice are idiot? Spice said she don't keep, and Spice come over which part I keep, my love. Spice, she said she don't keep. So all of the people them know. For you don't know where I can say, oh, me don't know where she gone over there, so gonna mix up with them there. Please to tell us who Spice is. Who is Spice? Like, make it make sense. Spice is not a human being like us that piss and shit and poop and blood clot, sleep and eat. Like, who is Spice? Spice is better than us. Make it make blood clot sense. This have to show us that una some cartoon, not some lunatic. Me can't favor Spice, my love. You know, so make skin smooth. Make it make sense. Stop it. Stop it! Me not see, me only see 84 donut. People, I look so. Spice out here, I look it, so me have to look it too. No problem, pretty. You know, one Spice, I don't know one. That not nothing to do with me. Donuts. Everybody click on the blue and white paper on your left-hand corner of the screen and send money to my PayPal, my Cash App, and my Zelle. Make it make sense. Me not care what I want, so me love. Me no business. Spice pretty than her. That not nothing to do with blood clot me, my love. You're crazy. She could have pretty like money that not nothing to do with me. Me know someone wants to see RT boss. When I want to see RT boss, I could go and play some clip of the lady. Yeah, we're gonna play the clip. And the next thing we want to adjust. No wonder Queen Ifrica is so fucking upset. Queen Ifrica, now I see your pain. I can feel your pain, Queen Ifrica. Because when Queen Ifrica run out and attack and go on with herself, she's supposed to go on with herself. Like, Spice is going to say this. Look. Listen what the lady say. What can go so?
RT boss, go suck your mother. Come use your blood clot tongue and lava juice underneath me. RT, you can't bring me down. Shame and success, I go kill your RT boss. You can't blood clot bring me down. Come use your bisexual tongue underneath me, RT boss, and lava juice under me. You come talk about my son, me post my son every day.
So this behavior right here, Gracie, this behavior right here, so, is supposed to represent Jamaica. Like, Adidas supposed to take up you to represent the face of Jamaica with this behavior right here, so Gracie, make it make sense to me, please. Gracie, you have to stop. You have to do better. Gracie, you have to stop it. Gracie, you have to stop it. You're deep on a public platform the other day, and you said the same thing one time you did that perform. You have to stop it, Gracie. This not look good. Stop it, Gracie. Stop it in the name of Jamaica. Stop it. I understand so not having a beef and everything, but this your behavior, yeah. This is what Queen Ifrica talk about. These are the things that Queen Ifrica is talking about. Alright. Now, let us play another something.
RT, come out, come talk, say, lala, fuck. Look a boy bottom. Why you do that? Why you do that? Evil, wicked, demon, man. Because I saw when you walk with the demon spirit them, you have to do all kind of things. Why you do them something there? Look, innocent, look, boy. Why you do it?
You see, this now. First of all, when I see one video where stage, to me, something is not right about that video. To me. You understand? How is it when I go get up and when I go put them allegation upon people? Because some people who, you know, like war with him and say this and say that. And you know, rapper crapper. You know, say RT can sue you rapper crapper because you have the man face in the video. But RT is so lay back and no one do them something here. You understand? Of course, the video was scripted. That's what I've been telling you guys. Listen, these people put pedophile on everybody. If you ask me, the first thing them do, I put pedophile. Make this make sense for me, please. RT is so laid back. Him don't even care about suing and them something there. But may I tell you the truth, you know, people. Those who laugh last, laugh best, you know, regardless of how a person is, you know. You can't just get up and I put certain things on a person. That's not nice. All I win, I'm a chat, I kiss my teeth. I want to know if you did it. Tell me, you did it? You guys were there? And how you guys are going to believe something that someone said, something like this that someone said. How are you guys going to do that? Make it make sense for me, please. Okay, you wasn't there either. Exactly. So you see, because I was not there, uno can't make me believe one mama pussy rascals. Because like I said, couscous and couscous no bring good word. It no bring good word.
Good morning.
How are you?
Let you finish. Me sorry, me never fuck our Batman son over Portmore. But when you finish.
You split justice. Of course, me I go split the justice. Because listen, I'm gonna tell you guys this. This a couscous. This a blood clot couscous this. You understand? You people mind is so close. When you hate people so till
Tell me when
somebody
you,
says
when you want me talk.
Alright, me I go tell you. As somebody says something about somebody, you just believe and run with it. Well, one and two little blinganies them when me have right here, so we stand with RT boss, my love. Because we believe that everyone, no matter what somebody say, no matter how much allegations come up against the person, we believe that everyone is innocent until proven guilty. We have to stop them something here. That is it, my side. Take the floor, RT boss.
Good afternoon and good day. Me want cuss, but me may address two things first. Let me address Mr. Pastor Smith. Let me deal with that first. As you're aware of, she tell you that she know me as Pastor Smith. I did tell you that. Clearly, she meet me as a pastor. She right when she say, I do not do evil because I am not a Obeah man. She right when I'm saying that I am not a Obeah man. Yes, Gracie is right. I am not a Obeah man. I am a spiritual advisor. I help people. Now, with the part of Gracie as a spirituality, Gracie, me and you know say me help you. And this is what you need to know. Are the same people that me help with the gozo. 95% of them are help beat you. You see the people that click the platform are people who get either money, help, some form or some support from me where you did a try hide. Me just want to clarify that. Now the next thing, you say me if you post a picture. Me go over Instagram RT Boss official, me post a picture of my nice pitney them no favor monkey. So me no want no zoo, Gracie. My sperms no give me no zoo for bring forth no multitude of monkey because your pussy and your mummy come from the ape of planet bring forth a generation of monkey. When the girl say you're a monkey, you feel bad, no blood clot, but you go down to everything of your image a monkey. So me post picture of my nice clean kids to show you say me no birth no monkey. Cause two gospel full monkey you birth no blood clot and none of them are no fi alala and the two pity them are fi blood clot baby shama you tell me. Cause up till now you can't come with DNA test you come to me. No, the allegation where them say bisexual, me not answer not and say nothing. You know why? Because I'm a US citizen, I'm illegal in a foreign and uno big pussy suck worrying, walk and fucky bestie. None of uno see no mugshot with me. Your queen weak and she's looking to come back, now she come for me. Now me address this. Your queen say me must come lava juice her pussy. Me done lava juice your pussy take sperms and maggie out of it. When time prampute suck your pussy and give you disease and you say that a bacteria making it in her. Why you not come tell the people and say you have feelings for prampute long time because you used to fuck her from Fletcher's land days and you and I did have a relationship but because she left and go take the girl from England you have a problem. Why you not tell Jamaica say you have a problem because prampute suck you suck prampute pussy and feel like she get bacteria. Why you not talk about that? Let me finish. Why you not tell Jamaica say right? When Samantha's son next door did have and lock up with your son, you call me and ask me if you feel like his son a Batman because him lock up next door with Samantha's son a Portmore right over the house where you call it in a Caribbean estate land. You call me and say to me, say you feel like him bisexual. Me say give the little boy time for charge. That is why this father also have a problem with the son and you use it cause the man. Suck your mama spice. Let me go for this one now. Let me go for the other one. You can't come for me, Spice. So, well, I'm take my time, because me heated the blood clot. So, Spice, you said me if you come suck you. Me done suck your pussy last long time and take cabbage and worm out of it. And you still can't hold no man. So, maybe me if you come suck your dead hole again. Remember, under you stink like a funeral. Remember, say, under you no smell good. That's why you wouldn't hold the wow shaman. Fucky Spice, we fuck out dancehall, you and your pussy in an ambition. I go and put your pussy on the chart to blood clot. You're going to get a pussy it one. So you clout you want, clout your blood clot, get a go and put your clip on the chart to blood clot. You come talk about suck you when a man not kept. Good, a good pussy for suck girl, yes. You can address the king of spirituality if you come suck you, and from man I suck you, you don't keep none yet. Why would I suck you when you curse no blood clot? Your king can't keep no man yet. Well, I'm bling, me not done. Pastor Smith I give you the episode them. Why you not tell them say the reason why you chop your thumb, you fight off Maka in the hotel because Maka find you and Alicia face off in their bathroom and fuck there. Why you not tell the people him say the reason why you war with Maka and not tell Maka say she not to come out about Maka cause Maka come in at the hotel room, see you and Alicia fuck and you talk about Maka this and war with the blood clot woman and come out come tell the people him say oh you beat up chaka Maka and lick her in her face when Maka do Maka find out say yeah fuck woman in the hotel because Maka did have the key for the apartment. Spice go suck your mother, you know about them. Me have receipt everywhere. Me have receipt everywhere. I use same one when the biggest allegation. See, Shelly come to the biggest allegation in Jamaica where you was behind the England man where a scam in a cartel name, I collect money from Shaggy, I collect money from everybody, even Shelly for free cartel. When you know for evidence say a scam in a cartel name. And guess what the man do? The man come down from England and fuck you and release a picture with you as so good as so cocky in your glasses. You come tell Jamaican people say I know you because you feel and go put on tattoo. Come say no, I thought Spice in a file. Remember you fuck John. Remember no, let me tell you ladies, remember go to part 2 of ladies where me never tell you. Ladies say in ladies own vice. I brought you in my home. I bring you out my family. I feed you. You wreck my home. You wreck my family. Because ladies catch you a fuck Jam. Ladies catch you a fuck Jan, so she put you out of the house. So you and ladies carry a dancehall and Jan feelings. Cause Jan cocky lang. Gully Bob know the argument. Cause Gully Bob used to there on a Jan studio. Go suck your mama Spice, you're irrelevant. That is why ladies kick you out and envy you. And ladies not have the guts like you for talk. That is why ladies always say, you wrecked my home. You mash up my life. You mash up my life. When you go ask ladies what you mean by she wreck your home and mash up your life? Ladies come tell the people them say, you catch her a fuck Jan and it bend your blood clot. And in at the time, I'm telling you how it go. Ladies catch her a fuck Jan when the ladies breed and lose the pitney too. That is the time when ladies are having an issue because ladies are pregnant and fly out at the same blood clot. All right, if you listen to the story where Gully Bob attack, Gully Bob hear the argument in a dancehall. A lot of artists know about the argument in dancehall when time ladies are there for no Spice used to sleep with Jan in the house.
Moderator, why you mute?
So me don't know when I come blood clot. Listen, Bling, me ask you one question. Don't you hear ladies say? She wrecked my home. She mashed up my life. She tear up my family. She destroyed me because ladies are catch her a fuck Jan.
Me never know say that are the reason why ladies.
What do you think ladies are carry grudge for?
But me not know
and Jan, then Maka Diamond. All right, Maka Diamond introduced ladies to Jan. Maka Diamond, Jan like ladies. Jan like Maka Diamond first. Let me get a story. Maka used to name out Jan. Then Maka carry ladies introduce ladies to Jan. And then from there, so ladies and Jan fall in love. And then after that, Spice comes to the relationship with Jan. You don't go suck on no woman, you don't go like queen or nobody. You don't want no file and receipt, no. Chaka mo Maka, me a call her. Ask her if she don't know how it go. You don't go suck on no woman, you don't go like Spice, that's my
moderator, looking at the chat. All of my moderator them block everybody who has said boo and block everybody who has said anything when I want to
hear. Or follow Spice, fucky bestie, I be a sodomite and prostitute.
Straight block.
If from Spice a skin out her pussy how long to blood clot and can't hold a man or a woman. Make she come talk about how she spend $15,000 per estilita in a small island to do her breast. Spice walk and suck pussy like termite and mine woman. Where she not gonna tell you about how she a mind blood clot footer hype. That's why footer hype can't go for her because she a mind footer hype woman in a angel when that Florida where she say her best friend. Angel who she a mind angel who blood clot. Angel a nurse one nice pretty blood clot girl. Me have a picture with Angel. When she take all her money and mine all blood clot Angel. Who is Angel? I'll talk up some blood clotting when me know in a blink. The story long, you know, Spice have not no file. Let me go back on the ladies, sir. The reason why Spice and Tifa do, why you mad? Because Tifa mother did a fuck Jan. A whole heap of mix up. Everybody did have a Jan at the studio.
Then I saw Jan body busy.
Exactly. So Spice team up with Tifa and sing, that's why you're mad. It's about it because Tifa have problem with ladies that fight against her because true Tifa mother, manager, and a fuck Jan.
Jesus of Nazareth. Moses.
Spice used to fuck a gunman from upper, where the people may know that, upper Augustone, one young coolie boy. And a beer gun she buy him. Beer gun she buy him. And the people
That will send a blood clot request. Because
beer gun she buy him.
For this.
What's the request?
One boy from last night.
A beer gun, she send her money and buy, and the same people, let me see attack from Pink Wall and everything. I say, oh, she a mind the boy. Spice not an ambition. Time to have be a monkey breed, she push out. Spice go suck your mother, but you want to come from me. 25,000, you put up on my head, I'm still not dead. And you want to come look cloud. You know what about her bling? She begs to me run her pussy clot and suck her, and tell her go suck her mama. But me go say this pandalider to all bestie. Bestie, I glad you dirty bitch come and me tell her go suck her mama. Move your blood clot, you irrelevant bitch. Me not know ya. You see it? My time come. Nobody know no secret for me. Tell her that the time she talk about pedophile come out with the pitney them story. She talk it out her own amount. Her baby father talk it her over her own amount. No danger part. Let's talk about danger now. Oh, Spice wicked. I mean, I will prove to the people how Spice wicked. I mean, I prove to you now, bling how Spice wicked. The video where Spice show Uno, me never have to play it back because everybody watch it. Because Uno done. So I never want to bling play it back. Uno go find it. Uno done. So I want to educate Uno. The video where Spice show Uno, she say, see the video yeah. Me say, la la call, la la call, la la call, la la call, la la call. Then, me end up calling back. Me say, where you say now? Me say, me hear you talk about say, me suck danger pussy. Me come clear up the argument. Me no suck no pussy. Me fuck her. Me say, okay then. That is the only thing talk for my show. Danger in the comments say, I rape him, rape me. You know the big pussy dirty word though? She click the live and come say, I chew the girl attack, I rape him, rape her, I rape him, rape her, I chew. When she tell me the story, me never really believe it, you know, and it hurt me for know, say, I chew, Spice go suck your mama, you know, nobody, me know your file, I be a lie you tell, but the people in my follow you, walk with them pussy pan them head, them illiterate, I be an illiterate Jamaican follow you like yourself, so them not no time for look into the evidence. Me never come out and say, I'll grape nobody, or grape nobody. Me and Uno never hold like the argument there. Lal come out to clarify what she see him one say. She tell the man say, oh him suck. Me gonna send you a voice note bling when you done your play it. So me have my receipt. Me have my voice note. She send them receipt the voice note to the man and send a voice note to me. Say him suck danger pussy. Me can I move him dirty blood. Alright, it out there. Oh Lord. When the black guy go back go look for it out there when she say.
Who send the voice note?
When she said, me release the voice note, and me release the voice note.
Yeah, but
listen to me, I send it now when me done. The voice note state. Tell Conroy say if you go suck him mama because when he must suck out danger pussy, I me release the voice note. So when him come, him say him come for clarify the voice note suck pussy because a Spice state that. So that him come for. Him never come for come no way of saying he's correcting no rape, kind of rape allegation, grape never talk. Is when danger in the comment I say, I no fucking fuck me, I grape me. Spice take it up on her head and go live. For use it for detour my topic. topic. If nobody wanna know where the Obeah man a do, or where she and the Obeah man in how much bath, how much goat. So she use the danger thing now to try to smooth the story, to shut down RT. But now, time and karma beat back her blood clad. So she put it in the song and attack the right way how she blood clad feel. Spice go suck your mama. I hype you look from me. But me glad how you come and me I give you it. Because I saw it for go. God's heart is clean. So we are saying now, Bling.
Yes,
And one last thing more I say.
Support the live goal, people, right now. Click the left hand corner.
If you don't know what good for you, go tell Spice if you go lock her mouth and keep her open her pussy. Tell Spice she can't come for me have her file. Me can't laba juice no pussy when a man na blood clad keep. She have from me cuss out Spice from 4 years ago and leave her over there with 4.1 and she still not blood clot move. Every day she look pan Sensei grow, everybody a grow. Uno bumbo clad people, uno need to go no queen a hit song, which is where she a try look right now, now come for me. Me alright, Spice broke. Spice walk and take man and use all her money mind man. That's why she not no money. She mind Rasta man, she mind gunman, she right bad man. When Spice then I love her hip hop, I tell her she there with Rasta man when she a fuck gunman in a Jamaica. Spice a war. Spice never there with the blood clot Rasta man. The Rasta man a clout. And then she a come for the girl. Spice never fuck the Rasta. The fact Rasta was content.
You're there.
At the Dan man a blood clot Jamaica she da fuck. Rasta never there. Rasta content.
Jesus.
To one season. And after she pay him, she let him go when him season done. Same way how she clout uno over here and clout uno with me and the excitement. Rasta was content. She not fuck no Rasta man.
Jesus.
Oh, she for fuck. Oh, you for yeah, that she never fuck no Rasta man. A content. You from when you see the man who know Spice no one the man. Because when you see Spice and the man no make sense. The man a Yankee is content.
Mighty God of Daniel.
That's the only good thing me can get her practice from. She never want the man. Everybody know she but when she trick on and tell her she no want the man. She never want him. It's just content. Everybody who should even take that for now. When she not realize that she not an affair man. That's how she not realize that is how she do fair thing. She content the thing. When just not no sense. But this is what me want them know and them make Bling and Stark. Tell Spice she can't touch and move me. She can't shake me. Tell Spice that nothing she could have set up, tell lie people who come talk, tell her say America this is. Everything is lawyer and law and court case. Tell Spice because sue the doctor with on her in a stuff chicken, make she shape bad no blood clot. She is the national queen of shape badness. Tell her to sue the doctor we put the blood clot jack in her hair and make she look like a stuffed chicken to blood clot. Sue the doctor, yes. Bumbo clad. The strength you have for me, when you go look for the doctor and beat out in blood clad for do Spice or in a chicken. That the advice me give the best to them. Find the doctor will fuck up the queen body and turn her in a batch pumpkin. Back to you, Bling.
Oh, yes, support the live goal. Support the live goal, people. So the show ya. The boss is talking now.
So why she feel like Spice can't come shape me? Spice I go talk about the post. Spice is irrelevant. You not feed no blood clot blogger over here so for post. You be a bumbo clot girl. Go suck out your mama. You look like a monkey.
That is it, my side. One RT boss. RT is here telling his truth. His truth. Yes, we support RT. We stand with RT.
Everybody see Spice file. Everybody see Spice file. Spice I said me bisexual. Me a fuck man. Spice a long time a fuck woman till me couldn't keep it. Spice remember you know. Spice remember say, hey, you know I true me rape Nikki. Spice, when the black dancer suck my cocky and Rebel play with herself, where the threesome where did I go off when we was drinking. Spice, remember you that draw me out in a something and that, hey, girl, don't make me talk things, you know, girl. I have a look, hey, don't make me go in a bumbuckler. Girl, now you brought me out. When me come out, me was Pastor Smith. Now you give me threesome with woman and turn me in a king.
Jesus.
When me come, I was Pastor Smith. No, you carry me, go give me woman. I make Alicia ride off me cocky.
Jesus.
No, you tell me, say, come out of church and come here, so, and hold down Maca Diamond and make you come queen in a. Spice, remember me a handicap when you know me, you know, I was Pastor Smith. Me never know certain things.
Jesus. You never know, you never get your hood sucked before?
No, Spice, let me get it done. I was
You
Pastor
can't eat
Smith.
spice, but you can't eat spice because man
That is
love
why me
getting
have
them
the lover.
dicks.
That's why me have the lover and eat for you.
Oh, because man love getting them dicks suck, you know.
When you hear tall up as a Spice pussy stink, me confirm it for you. Every dancer know that her pussy used to smell bad.
Jesus Christ.
And that was Obeah. That was Obeah. That was Obeah for you. Don't laugh. Her pussy did stink for you. I don't lie.
No, me not laugh. Me can't hit
Let me tell you how that I go. No, let's be serious. It was Lal Indian woman did a fling science panel when she had the two kids them. So I saw me meet her. Remember, I always tell you, say when I meet her, you know, it wasn't no dancer. I meet her because she did sick and made have to help her and the kids them dopey that play the pitney them because she got take the Indian man from the coolie girl. One coolie girl did there with the alright, the man did there with a coolie girl, another Indian girl like him. That's why I'm have the girl, little daughter, were Indian. Spice take him from him Indian woman. When Spice take him did have him look money and thing, and him have him look thing. You understand? Can come from a local family where have things. So Spice take him with things. You get that?
Well, me know say somebody should take the baby father from.
But the girls fling science for her, and so comes me meet her. Alicia face I bring her to me.
But guess what?
Me a long time scholar. Me talk about this. Say Stacy Ching, Stacy Chong, Stacy Chong or whatever did have a gas station. Stacy was our manager. The Stacy and R used to fuck Lal. Lal and I used to have the three.
Yeah, that's the friend.
That are the friend.
Because
Yes.
they-
That
because
is why
they have it
the
over
secret
yourself.
with danger. Me ten thing in one. The secret with danger where danger not talk. Why you see Spice have them code and it's a whole and the police station, you know. Danger and Spice and Lal used to fuck the threesome a long time. Do the mathematics.
Yeah, say to me.
So a whole heap of mix up, but I become go fuck her behind Spice back. You know, here she say, she tell you, say, them didn't have conversation, so she never did a fuck and they never fuck and they must say, why you never fuck and all of them something. They remember no bling. How come to bling?
This confusing no bumbo clot
You
because
don't have to confusing. Then me hear people that say me a change story. Me not change story. Me come with different story all the way. Me have Spice file. Me a advisor. Me know. You notice. I remember say something to you. You notice everything when me say bling. You hear Shelly come out, come say it. You hear Macadamia come confirm it. Everything when me say 2020. Shank say yes, confirm it. She say all when gate lock me now quarantine. Macadamia confirm it. You see what me I say? Everybody confirm it. I just them dirty careless people here where the government soon poison because I not give them the education because them hungry. We can't wait for them poison them.
wait there.
We can't wait for the Labour Party poison the nasty blood clot.
But Spice Little Life festive. Wow. Or should I say wow. Oh, baby.
Tell Spice to leave me alone, but you go for pedify. You can get 10. Listen me bling. Then can get 10 man, 5 woman, 6 woman for come on a phone and try talk. That does shake me. Bring the police. Sokuno mama. Bring the DEA, FBA, FIA. Bring the police. I don't want no queen where suck wood and lick up body come take up something where you not qualify. Girl go and go suck wood. Like you used to.
Jesus Christ, Spice Little Life festive. Wow.
I'm going to rub your blood clot till the day I die. Suck your mother. You dirty bitch. You look dirty. You want beard.
Mighty God, me don't want you know about me because guess what? This loud. It
Spice walk and fuck everybody in a dance hall. Spice not no rep to file. Anytime you hear any one of them answer or say something in the music, everybody knows Spice. Spice I don't nobody. Eh? Listen, let me show you a two thing. More you know with that. Ask anybody in a dance hall with no Spice from she a little black girl. Ask them something. Is it true that back then before Spice becomes the queen, was she have a order where her pussy smell and her mouth stink? Ask anybody that.
Oh my God. Me hear danger.
Ask anybody that. From them time that if when them their own Spice, if they never know say her mouth and her pussy stink. Anybody over Portmore. Me challenge you and pay you that. Ask anybody over
Put the live goal.
Me challenge anybody over Portmore. Me not ask you, I talk my people talk. One thing with me is a boy like this, me no blood clap, make up nothing. Cause Gracie no nothing, they need to make up and Gracie, cause life a open book. I just because I'm Obeah, the people them fi just love her and me they do it with a willing heart. No, the Obeah, same Obeah beat me, but I just saw it go, karma is a bitch. But one day to blood clot them we see. Like them I see now.
Jesus, Father.
Oh, them not say, why Spice come for me I come with a dirty file, eh? Let me see, let me tell you where me left out, Bling. You where me left out. Don't tag Nicki Minaj. Nicki Minaj, breaking news. Gonna put this on the headline. Nicki Minaj, listen to RT. Didn't you give Foxy Brown $10,000 for go do her, for make up her body? And you did Nicki Minaj, listen to me. Didn't you and Foxy Brown a friend and you give her $10,000 for do your body? And then you attack her business. Everything you tell Nicki Minaj, everything you tell Foxy Brown, she tell Spicy. Nicki Minaj, let me ask you something. You never give Foxy Brown $10,000 for go make up do her body and she has said the money never enough and she never feel comfortable, but Spice and me know about it. Nicki Minaj, when you have problem with your family and your mother, any little thing where is there, and Spice know it. Like for example now, Nicki Minaj, when you're first pregnant and you lose it, Foxy Brown tell Spice about it. It was 2009. Me hear it. So Nicki Minaj, I summons you to my court. Let me tell you all this mixy. Say I know everybody business, you and Foxy. Foxy bring everything to me and Gracie. Come let us shame these dirty fuckers. People where you saw in the comment, all uno can uno could fight for Grace till thy kingdom come uno no fight for Gracie. Only me and Gracie know it. Nobody done a file for me. Because I no live careless life. Me no fuck people. We fuck Nikki. Suck out Nikki good night tight pussy. Fuck her in her ass and lick out Nikki body. Yes, that's my wife. Me sucky pussy. Suck no mother. Me tight level babble. Fuck you, bitch.
Jesus. Jesus. Cash up Zelle PayPal over there, sir.
And
Left
anything
hand
me
side
talk,
of
me
the
can
screen.
walk my blood clot walk because me know Nikki know say she know about the 10 gun about Foxy Brown.
Jesus. Jesus. Moses.
She want to sing about people business, but she not talk about her sister will dash her 3 pitney and lose 4. And the pitney where she have, where she keep the baby shower in a full while. That pitney is because I put the daughter upon bush and take her off her meat, which is her sister. Let me tell you something. Spice generation curse. Let me go now file pan Spice. Spice uncle a madman. Spice nephew head no good. I want to hear the story now. Spice head not too right. Spice father madman. Spice mother head not so good. Spice come from a breed of, and this is something I want to look into now. This is not allegation. This is reality. Spice come from a back breed of family where head shaky. That is why she's like that. So she's something wrong with her, people. She's something wrong with her. I don't even think she evil. She's something wrong with her. And anything, all right, this is what I say again. Anything I speak, I challenge you to go Google and do the research. I am here waiting. I do not want nobody to say me I tell lie, because I am a man do not tell lie. I talk facts. Remember, you people are not important. Remember, you wasn't in Spice life. You never kill no goat. You never do no pumpkin. You never set no table. Uno are a serpent of listener. Uno wasn't nobody. Is Uno same one we do it for draw no attention. So no have to give me attention to, because me was part of the Guzu energy. So bear in mind, not because me Obeah the whole of Uno say Spice, Uno go come here now and try diss me. Bear in mind that you guys are irrelevant want to blood clot because I have you here now for crowing me. Me I make money. It's $2,500 for reading now at artiganglobal.com. That me want to know. Me raise me reading because of what? The clout and the excitement. I am benefit. We are coming tomorrow by the end of the week with we merge one bling, one RT. So I'm going to rub out our pussy and get enough money. So if I need any lawyer, I can do my thing. Anybody where have the red, green, and gold, come suck me, heat me body. If you are against me, my case closed.
Donuts up there, sir. Donuts. We need 5,000 donuts. Everybody start sending donuts. No. We're turning off the lights.
Spice we say, me fuck 15-year-old. Tell her our message. Say, me sorry, me never fuck for her. Just get that message. Because you cannot come mix me up and come talk about me and Batty man and I come say, oh, me and pedophile and them blood clot there and you have your kids them around me. You have your daughter around me. You have your son around me. Me keep them, me stay with them. None of them never have no problem with me. And you, me, your kids them godfather and you go talk about me and pedophile. Hey, Spice, come suck me. You go like you know nobody. But me, fuck boy, and all of them sit there try find something to bring me down. So this is where me want you know, Bling. You see, because she hear about allegation out there, she drop her song, she do this. The Spice, you can't bring me down. You will bring down, can't bring down somebody when never up. Come on, how the fuck you gonna bring down me when me never up? Come, it could make sense, Spice. It could make sense, bestie. Remember, years now, uno say me I look clout. Years now, I make you and boss. So, me not have no strength for Momo, I have strength for Spice. Me could make sense now, bestie. Me could make sense now. Make sense now? Me not have no strength for Momo, because Momo not no clout. Momo not no name. Momo just sell fuck and dash her pussy. Momo a prostitute. If you Google her file, you see that she's a prostitution. She get charged for prostitute selling pussy. So I can't argue with prostitutes who have credible files and them sell pussy. You're crazy. I have to argue with people who have files and have name like Gracie, who's a queen of dancehall. Momo is a prostitute. I can't argue with prostitute. Me after me not look at prostitution crowd. And for those of the bestie, let me say something to the bestie. Is 1 year now, Momo come with our pedophile story, and you as Spice can help her, but meanwhile, when you help her, may I say, bring it to the police, bring it to the lawyer, bring it to somebody, because you don't make no blood clot sense. And tell Spice she can't bring down whenever up. Because she don't know say a bill she a bill me now. Because I know how the fuck you are going to say, and me not understand it now makes sense. Me I bring it down. When me did up, Gracie? When me did up? So for you to say you are going to bring me down and nobody, me want to pay, me want to know when me did up. Me never know you bust me. Me boring, I want shit in our mouth.
Guys.
You don't have to watch me and Bling.
Moderator, block the whole of them. Anybody
no, Bling, and the real people them there. And the real people them there are the thing what them always do. You know when them pay the people them fair type in one thing, them not the bestie. Anybody where you see repeat more than one thing, them not the ultimate. See that one that we're from Guyana, we're from, we call it Nigeria, them never know Spice.
Some of them are the people them do. Some want them. Guys, we just want to have the show in peace. Because I don't never that trouble Spice.
Because Spice, nobody.
Don't trouble him now. When I never that trouble Spice. If you don't want here, just come out for the live. You have a right.
If you don't know why about how much, or if you don't know about Spice pussy file, I'll to leave.
Leave.
All you have to leave. And I mean tell her to make me know her pussy receipt. Remember, you know, she can't, listen to me. When I want to know now, bestie, you notice Spice can't point out one man me fuck? You notice she have to come with Momo. You notice she have to come with Momo's story. You notice she can't come with a man when me fuck Gracie. If you say, hey, him a fuck Batty Chef, Gracie come eat up my good tight ass. You are the queen of disappointment to your country. You are going to tell me if you come the laba juice your blood clot. That is why the people them now work with you. You're a disgrace to Jamaica like myself. Yeah. Me's a national disgrace to Jamaica. You're an international disgrace to Jamaica. Nothing about you no reputable blood clot. You say you're queen of dancehall and you will tell people pan life, you go laba juice your pussy when I keep no man. You should have disappointed. Stop, and every time you talk about your old people shoot you down. Credible woman to talk about them pussy. Girl where keep man to talk about pussy. But you know one come talk about RT do this and try to set up. None of you can set me up. None of you can set me up.
I buy we out. I buy we
Yes,
out.
at 10 years, listen, at 10 years, or not 10 years, how much years? 4 years or so, me and her a war. I bring down her blood clot, and nobody never come to her and tell her, say, me did this and this. But as she come, she want to run with people's stories, say, pedophile. Spice come suck me. And Nikki. Wanna draw a chair. Where the supporters them? Wanna draw a chair. Because Spice did feel like, say, you could have come bring me down. You never feel like Blings that gonna stand up with me. You know, feel like people are gonna derone me. You know, feel like, say, me as Smaddy. You feel like, oh, you are God. Every single person will take up this story where I talk about me and Gracie right now. You are doing both me and Gracie a favor with all due respect. You guys need to know who no nobody a blood clot. Because me no count to know. Because look how in the comment now, who not going to energy me? Me can't count on a blood clot unless you a book a reading. Me glad on the day so now aunt me. It look good.
People, support the live goal. Else me a turn off the live. Support the live goal. We need 5,000 donuts. And everybody, 1,000 people send $5 over there. Send I cash up on the Zelle and the PayPal.
The first time Spice do her body, Missy Elliott pay feet. Missy Elliott and Spice in a romantic relationship long time, years now. That is a hit and run. TikTok or Instagram, no blood clot network that they have to hold it. And una come talk about me